Hey friends, hello! In this video, I want to share with you all my secret of doubling the yield of my delicious tomatoes in my garden. And in this, only one sucker helps me. I simply don't remove it. Specifically, on a plant of indeterminate tomatoes, you need to leave this sucker. It is located under the first cluster. But in order to grow an indeterminate tomato plant in two stems, the distance between bushes should be at least 50 centimeters. This way, the plants will not shade each other, also they will not compete for watering and nutrients, and will yield a truly large and tasty harvest. Also, I want to caution you immediately that it is not recommended to leave more than one sucker on the plant, because in this manner you will burden the plant, the tomatoes will grow small, will not have sufficient time to ripen, and will not be as flavorful. Therefore, we leave only one sucker at most, specifically the one growing under the first cluster, because it is the most vigorous and also grows low enough to support a sizable harvest. And let's calculate, if I were to grow this tomato in one stem, by the end of the season I would have grown 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 maximum clusters of tomatoes. In this manner, I will also be increasing practically the identical quantity of crops in parallel to what is grown on the initial stem. Now look, the initial cluster, the second cluster, the third cluster, the fourth cluster, and the fifth cluster. On the sucker, we can grow one cluster fewer than on the main stem, and in this manner, I am able to obtain 11 clusters of exceptionally large and delicious harvest, as opposed to the 6 clusters that I would cultivate on a single stem. And we definitely eliminate all other suckers. Now we do not leave any. It is also necessary to eliminate the lower leaves on tomatoes and provide them with fertilizer. I'll explain everything in the upcoming videos. If the info from this video was useful, make sure to like it. Remember to share and subscribe to my channel to stay updated on new videos. Wishing you a fantastic day and plenty of excitement.